Hi, today I'll show you how to change the cabin filter for Toyota RAV4 5th generation. So first, the filter is located in the back of the glove box. Open the glove box. First, remove this absorber. Okay, and after that, you'll see the glove box. It has two. After that, you'll see that the glove box has two side pins. Remove the first one and then the second one, just like this. And then the second one. Okay, glove box it's released. Just leave it like this. And here is the cap for the cabin filter. Just click in order to remove it. And remove this plastic holder. My suggestion is not to use OEM. This is the OEM filter. As you can see, it has no carbon inserted. So I suggest to use another aftermarket filter. Doesn't matter the manufacturer. I'll show you also the difference. See how this one is built. You can see the difference. So let's change it. Remove the old one. On this plastic holder you'll see the airflow. So this arrow should match with this arrow. See, up. Make sure the filter stays in one place. And it's secured, and insert it back. And then secure it with this plastic. And that's all. After you secured the filter, reverse the procedure of removing the glove box. Gentle push up until it clicks. Okay, don't forget about this absorber. And that was all. Bye. Thanks for watching.